Hey, you two, welcome back. So today I'm trying to recondition this Ion Black Rocker Max. Unfortunately, the battery goes dead, even though when I plug in to charge it. As you can see right now, the battery indicator is just going up. And unfortunately, it just won't charge. Once I unplug the plug, the battery is going to be dead. So previously I showed you guys on how to change a battery. So today I'm going to remove the old one and try to recondition it with the charger. So as you can see, the battery is going up from 2 bar. But even though if I leave it on and charge it, it's not going to stay charged. So I'm going to unplug it, see what the display is going to show. It is off right now. I'm going to power on. It just shows the battery icon and then goes blank. So it seems like it's like a tiny juice left only. Alright, so we're going to remove the battery by removing those 6 Phillips screws. There you go. So that's a fuse right there in case you burn it. I'm going to measure the voltage for this old battery. So it's supposed to be 12.5 and above, and it's only show 8.22. So this battery shows 12.33. It's been sitting for a while, so I'm going to plug it in and make sure it will power on. It does power on, and it shows 3 bar instead of 4 bars. So yeah. So I got this iMax B6A6. This one is the balance charger. I'm going to use this to condition this battery. Hopefully it's going to work. So yeah, be sure to select the correct battery type. And then we're going to start charging. And then there's also a discharge. We're going to press and hold down the start in order to start. Hopefully it's enough due to start. It says a connection break. Let me try on this one. So as you can see, this one is charging fine. So I might have to bring up to battery level. Actually, I'm going to use the charger right now to charge it and bring it to enough voltage, because iMac is pretty tricky. If you didn't see enough voltage, it would cut it off and not charge. Right, so right now I'm doing the parallel charging. It shows 14.63 volts. It's jumping up and down. And not sure if we could bring that to up to the voltage level in order to charge independently. The voltage might be too low. So we're just gonna test it out and see. So I'm using this old school charger with the 10 amp, and it is in 12 volt right now. So earlier I charged up to 5 minutes, and the battery from 5.99 voltage go up to 8.75, and it's going down slowly. So I'm going to charge it additional 10 more minutes and check the voltage. Alright, so after I charge it for a while now, this is the following day. I'm going to cancel this real quick. Going to check for battery voltage. So it shows 12.91, and the voltage is dropping a little bit. So when you recondition the battery, it doesn't mean the battery is gonna go back to normal 100% battery health. And let's go and then plug into the speaker. Positive first, and then the negative. So I'm going to power on the back of the speaker. So it shows 4 bar, which is 100% right now. And then the speaker stays on. So go ahead and check out the light. The light works and everything too. So yeah, anyway, that's how you recondition your battery and bring back to life. Unfortunately, with the cable that came with the speaker, it did not want to charge the battery. So anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below to see if this method works for you guys or not. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.